Introduction. Natural selection is a process where organisms that are able to adapt to their environment will be more likely to survive and reproduce. In this Bird Beak Club, we are going to find out how different types of bird beaks can affect the natural selection of birds in their environment.
I think that the spoon-mouthed bird will be able to capture jelly and M&M more than the other birds because its beak made it easier to eat food more than other species. I think that toothpick-mouthed bird will capture jelly and M&M less than other birds because its beak has a little sharp tip. Therefore, it is harder to pick up foods like M&M and jellies.
Material for this experiment: fork, chopstick, toothpick, spoon, paper plate, paper cup, M&Ms, jellies, and timer. Procedure: first, use chopstick to pick M&Ms as much as possible. You have only 15 seconds to do this. Second, count the pieces of M&Ms that each species pick up and record in the table. Third, repeat the same step with other 3 types of bird beak. Fourth, change the type of food to jellies. Fifth, repeat step 1 to 3 for jellies.
Chopstick-mouthed bird can pick up 5 M&Ms. Fork-mouthed bird can pick up 17 M&Ms. Toothpick-mouthed bird cannot pick up any M&Ms. Spoon-mouthed bird can pick up 40 M&Ms. Chopstick-mouthed bird can pick up 16 jellies. Fork-mouthed bird can pick up 3 jellies. Toothpick-mouthed bird can pick up 4 jellies. Spoon-mouthed bird can pick up 7 jellies. This is our result. On the table, you can see that the species that get the least in both types of food are fork-mouthed bird and toothpick-mouthed bird. No species won't survive, and the first one that dies is toothpick-mouthed bird because it can eat only a small amount of food.
Conclusion: based on the result, natural selection is spoon-mouthed bird and chopstick-mouthed bird because it can eat the most food in each of jellies and M&M.
Natural need a lot of examples to test that which creature will be more likely to survive in this environment. The diseases are unpredictable variations, so it can be controlled. That means we do not know that effect will be good or bad, but the destruction by humans may cause bad effect to natural selection.
A real-life example of competition is the coastal turtle and the land turtle. The land turtle has a longer neck to reach up high to eat vegetables and fruits, while the coastal turtle doesn't. Sometimes, when animals that immigrate in new areas has more suited characteristics to survive and may not have predators to hunt it, they will eat resources easily, so there are no more left for other species.
Evaluation: next time we should try not to spill out M&Ms and jellies. Instead of using a paper plate, we'll use a bowl next time. We should try more different types of beaks.